The city of San Diego gets ready to begin charging for trash pickup. Some San Diegans are now turning to the courts in protest. A new lawsuit filed in Superior Court is challenging the new fee, calling it unconstitutional. CBS 8's Richard Allen is here with more on what this litigation hopes to achieve and how the city is responding tonight. Richard?
Well, Marcella, that's right. And you may remember that this new fee was made possible after voters approved Measure B back in 2022, which allowed the city to begin charging for trash collection for the first time in over a century. Now, at the time, it was suggested the fee would be less than $30 a month, but was ultimately approved at about $44 a month. Now, this new lawsuit does not hold back, calling the solid waste fee for property owners an illegal trash tax, claiming that this collection fee violates California's Constitution.
This is a regressive tax. This is the most regressive tax.
Former San Diego City Attorney Mike Aguirre filed this new lawsuit on behalf of 15 San Diego residents, alleging that the approved trash fee is being imposed without proper voter consent and that the fee exceeds actual service costs.
We're not asking for money, or we're not asking for anything draconian. We're just asking for what the public is entitled to.
According to the suit, the city allegedly used a $5 million consultant study to inflate the cost of trash services from $70 million to nearly $149 million, including non-service related expenses like previous debt, new trucks, and infrastructure that won't be available during the first year of the new fee. A fee that could run some property owners more than $500 a year.
There are people that can't afford another $100. They do not have another $100. I mean, they just do not have another $100. And this is hitting them.
Aguirre says that senior citizens, many living on a fixed income, would be hit the hardest.
They're already trying to decide, can I get this extra grocery or do I get the medicine? And then somebody says, oh, guess what? Twice a year, you're going to get a bill for hundreds of dollars that you're going to have to pay that you never had to pay before.
The suit also claims the fee will be used to fund general services not directly related to trash collection. Aguirre points to major budgetary shortfalls the city's currently facing, from billions in unfunded pensions to street and storm drain maintenance.
The city is in dire financial shape, which we appreciate, and that puts all the pressure in the world on the city officials to come up with some way to plug the hole, and that's what this is.
The suit also alleges that San Diegans were not given a fair opportunity to reject the fee, claiming that the notice sent to residents buried critical protest procedures in small print.
We want to have the judge say that you didn't comply with the Constitution and it has to be set aside, and you're going to have to come up with a better plan.
And we also reached out to the city of San Diego for reaction to this lawsuit. We heard back from the city attorney's office telling us that they are unable to comment on pending litigation.
So, Richard, where does this lawsuit go from here?
Well, it's been filed in Superior Court and a judge has been assigned to the case. Now, Mike Aguirre says that a hearing date has yet to be set, but he anticipates that that hearing will take place before the first batch of property bills go out that include this new trash tax, most likely sometime before September. So we're waiting to see exactly when that hearing is set. A lot of people are anxious to see how this plays out in the courts.
Well, it affects pretty much everybody who is a property owner in San Diego County.
Absolutely.
So
Up until now, they haven't had to pay this, and
Yes. All right.
soon enough, they might have to.
See what happens. Thanks, Richard.
Thank you.